So what I got here is a Kenmore apartment size combo washer dryer, and the belt broke probably from putting too big of a load in it. Couldn't find anything to help me take this apart, so hopefully this YouTube will help other people take it apart. It's a Kenmore model 110. And there's the serial number and everything. And one of the problems is I looked up the 110 and I ordered a belt for it. And this belt I think is 92 inches. That might be for a regular size machine, because here's the broken belt and it's only 72 inches. So I'll try to put the correct part number in the comments, try to remember to do that. And I had to figure out how to take it apart. First thing you want to do, and in a tight space here, is unplug it. And then, kind of cramped quarters here, but I didn't get far enough away from it to get you a good picture. Taking the back off doesn't get you to the drum like on a normal dryer. This one here is the electrical connection for the pigtails in there, and probably the heating element. But I think the rest of it's in front. And sorry about the camera work, but I'm in tight quarters. Taking the top off doesn't help you either. I've been there, done that. And then taking this panel here off doesn't help you either. What you have is, I'll take this cover off. There's one like it on the other side. And then there's a little screw under here where that hole is. And then you can pull all the knobs off, except I couldn't get this one off, which you'll see later. But there's a screw here, there's a screw here, and then this lifts up. And then once that lifts up, the drum is pretty much free. So once we get this open, we'll give you an update. If you found this information useful, or at least entertaining, please like or subscribe so the search engines can make it available for other people to either help or entertain. Thank you. So once you get the knobs pulled off, I couldn't get this one off. It says that it pulls off. I don't want to break it, but you know, they have half rounds, so these are all half rounds. This one here was tough because it had a little rust on it, but once those knobs are off, you have enough flexibility, because you need to take that screw out, and then you need to take that screw out right there, and then there's two clips up here inside. You just lift this up and the front will come off, the drum will be loose, and then you'll be able to see the motor and everything. That'll be next. So I was able to push this down to get a nut driver in there to take that out. Once you take this out, I don't know if you can see very clearly, but that panel intersects this front that I'm going to take off. So once I take the front off, this electrical panel is going to drop forward, and there's an electrical connection. Oops, turn the camera up. Behind here, that has to be disconnected. Both sides interlock with this front cover, which I'm going to lift up off the clips. So this is the connection that goes to the front door. What you want to do is lift it up, unhook the front cover off these hooks, and then set it back down. Don't pull it out, so you can disconnect this wire. This panel will flip forward, so you can disconnect that wire. Now I'm going to vacuum this out a little bit, but the belt will go around the drum. It'll go on that pulley, and that's the tensioner right there. So get this vacuumed out and start going back together. Here's what I forgot to show you when I had the cover off, was the motor here, and then the tensioner was out this way. You put the belt around on the drum, it's up in the front, and then you loop it You gotta bring the tensioner all the way back, and it's not a roller, it's just a piece of spring metal. You gotta bring it back, put the belt on the motor, and then release it, pull the tension. I should have probably took a picture of that, but in the heat of the moment I didn't. So there we have the machine around.